In today's video, I will walk you through how to find and use your backup recovery key in Deribit. If you ever lose access to your primary Authenticator app or device, your backup recovery key is the only way to instantly regain access to your Deribit account without waiting for customer support. This is the 16-character alphanumeric seed code or QR code that is generated when you first enable two-factor authentication. To find your backup recovery key, keep in mind that Deribit only shows this key once during the initial setup of your two-factor authentication. If you already completed the setup and did not save it, you cannot view it again. If you still have access to your account and want to secure a new backup key, go to your Deribit account settings. From there, open the two-factor authentication or security keys section. Delete your current Authenticator app configuration. You will need to enter a live two-factor authentication code from your current device to complete this step. After removing the old configuration, click Add to FA app. A new QR code and a new 16-character alphanumeric code will appear on your screen. Write this code down on a physical piece of paper and store it in a safe place. Do not take a screenshot or save it in an unencrypted file on your computer. If you need to use your saved backup recovery key, open your Authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, Authy, or another preferred TOTP app on your device. Tap the plus icon or the Add Account button to create a new account. Instead of choosing Scan QR code, select Enter a setup key or manual entry, depending on the app you are using. For the account name, enter a clear name such as Deribit Backup Restoration. Then carefully type or paste your saved 16-character alphanumeric backup key into the key field. Make sure the key type is set to time-based, also known as TOTP. Once everything has been entered correctly, tap Add. Your Authenticator app will immediately begin generating the active 6-digit login codes required by Deribit. If you lose your phone and you did not save your 16-character backup recovery key, you will be locked out of your account. To regain access, go to the official Deribit support desk and submit a ticket for a 2FA reset. The compliance team will require a manual identity verification process to prevent fraud. You will need to provide your registration details, proof of identity, and, potentially, a live selfie holding your ID along with a handwritten note. After your identity has been verified, Deribit support will manually disable your old two-factor authentication so you can log back in and set up a new one. Thank you for watching.